Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your computer class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your computer class. So class, in the previous session, as you all know, that we were doing the question answers from the chapter number 6, that is features in MS Word. So in the last session we had done up to question number 2. So in the today's session I'm going to begin with the question number 3 or the C question number C, that is name and write the uses of various change case options. So first of all I'll just write on the topic here, that is chapter 6 question answer. Answer number 1, answer number 3 or C. The question was name and write the uses of various change case options. Okay, so now here we have to mention what are the various options in the changing text case. So the write down the various case change options are mentioned as follows. So now I'm going to write down the various case change options. So the first one is sentence case. This is sentence case. The C will be small. Okay. Okay, one important thing about this case change, देखो जिस okay, so in the name जिस type में उसका name लिखा है उसी type में वो sentence. Okay, so sentence, whenever we write a simple sentence in English or in any other language, so what we do, the first letter is always capital and all the other letters are small until it is a noun. Okay, so sentence case, the first letter in the first character in the sentence will be uppercase and rest will be in lowercase. The first the first character the first character in the sentence will be in uppercase, will be in uppercase and rest will be in lowercase, and rest will be in lower case. Okay, so this is sentence case. The first character in the sentence will be in the uppercase and rest will be in lowercase. Okay, second one, lowercase. So the second case change option is lowercase. So as you all can see, I have written this word lowercase in which all the words are in small letters, or okay. So all the characters in the lowercase, so all the characters will be in small letters. All in lowercase, all the characters, all the characters will be in the lower case within bracket small letters, that is small letters. Okay, so this is lowercase. So these are the first two case change options. So rest there are some more. Okay, so first of all, for here up to here, just pause the video and note it down in your notebook. So the question is still not okay finished, so we are still have to do a little light. Okay, so pause it here. We are still continuing the question. So the third one is uppercase. So now till now we have done the sentence case, lower case, and the third one is uppercase. So C1 is, third one is, sorry, that is uppercase. Sorry. So C1 is, the third one is uppercase. UPPERCASE. This is uppercase. All characters will be in uppercase or capital letters. All characters will be in upper case. All characters will be in uppercase. Sorry, uppercase. Here we will write it in like. All the characters will be in upper case within bracket, that is capital letters. That is capital letters. Moving next to the fourth one. The fourth is capitalize each word. This is capitalize each word. Capitalize each word. First character of each word is capital and the rest are small. The first character, the first character of each word, the first character of each word is capital, and the rest are small, and the rest are small. Full stop. The first character of each word is capital and rest of the letters or the characters will be small. So this is the fourth case change option, that is capitalize each word. Moving next to the fifth one. The fifth is toggle case. The fifth is toggle, that is toggle case. TOGGLE, that is toggle case. Okay. Now what is this Tuggle case? It is reverse of the capitalize each word. That is, the first character of the word will be in the small and rest are the capital. So this is Tuggle case is just opposite this capitalize each word. So in this, the first letter, the first character of each word is small and rest are capital. So write down the first character, the first character of each word is small and the rest are capital. Okay, so the first character of each word is small and rest are capital. So this is the Tuggle case, okay, or the fifth case change option. Okay, so with this, now we have completed the question number C. Okay, so you can pause the video and note it down in your notebooks. This is the question number C from the chapter number 6, that the various case options. Write down. Okay, moving next to the question number D from the chapter number 6. Now we are moving to the next question, that is answer number D. The D is, why are tables required in a document? So whenever there is a document, why we require a table? तो हमें table क्यों चाहिए in a document? Okay, so we need a table. Okay, why we make a table? So that we can arrange our data in a proper row and column. So that's why the table is required in a Word document. So table, we require table, or question was why are tables required in a document? So in a document, or by using tables, or we use table to arrange all or the part of a document into the row and column. Okay, so that's why we require a table. Okay, write down question number D. So लिखिए, we use tables in a document. We use tables in a document so that in a document to arrange all all or part of a document. We use tables in a document to arrange all or part of a document into columns and rows. Into columns and rows. Full stop. So this is answer number D. So why we use table? So we use tables in a document to arrange all or part of a document into columns and rows. Okay. So this is the answer for the question number D. Moving next to the question number E. What is the function of drop cap feature? So this is the last question. What is the function of drop cap feature? So okay, write down the question in your notebook. So drop cap feature allows us to display the first character of the paragraph in a large capital letter that enhances the appearance of the paragraph. ओके सो फर्स्ट जो लेटर होता है दैट विल बी रिटन इन कैपिटल लेटर, उसका साइज बाकी सारे लेटर से बड़ा होता है जो कि पैराग्राफ के अपीयरेंस को बढ़ाता है. ओके सो लेट्स राइट डाउन आंसर नंबर ई. Answer number E. What is a drop cap? So drop cap features allows us to display the first character of the paragraph in a large capital letter that enhances the appearance of the paragraph. So write down drop cap feature. Drop cap feature. Drop cap feature allows you to display drop cap feature allows you to display the first character of the paragraph of the first character of the paragraph in a large capital letter in a large capital letter that enhances the enhances the appearance of the paragraph. It enhances the appearance of the paragraph. Full stop. Okay. So this is the answer for the last question, that is question number E. So what is drop cap? So drop cap features allows you to display the first character of the paragraph in a large capital letter that enhances the appearance of the paragraph. Right? So with this we have completed the question answers of chapter number 6. Okay. So now there are some activities that we are going to discuss in the class during the online class or the offline classes when you will be attending. So in the next session we will be starting with the next chapter, that is chapter number 7, Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay. So this is from my today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending this session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.